Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan!
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan! Happy birthday, Kuya Jan.
Ay, ayoko.
Wala pa. Ito na.
Nantsalan ako.
Nantsalan.
Ako? Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong, mga kalokohan, mga mabuting gawa. Thank you din ako sa papakilala mo sa amin ni Lord. Thank you for introducing us how to become a Christian.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan. Thank you kasi hindi nyo kami tinuring na kasambahay lang. Thank you kasi tinuring nyo kaming mas higit pa at at thank you sa lahat ng tulong at sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng habang buhay at sana madami ka pang matulungan na tao. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you so much and I hope good health spring to you and I hope everything God will protect you. I hope you have a good life and I hope you will remember all these memories every one of your birthdays. And also, thank you for all the kindness that you give to this family and thank you for all the things that you have given to us. Happy birthday, Daddy!
Pasalamat din ako kasi kayo yung naging way kung mas lalo kong nakilala si Lord. At yun, thank you so much.
Happy birthday. Uy, nantsalan. Nantsalan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jan.
Nantsalan din.
Yung i-wish ko, ipipray ko na lang sa na ako lang kasi nahihiyak kasi ako. Tapos, God bless. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong. Like, sobrang tulong.
Happy birthday!